go to settings, you will see this page like this. Go to settings, or else keep it as normal, save changes. Now you can see there are many things here. So there are many tables. We have entered settings. In settings we have entered 120 questions. So you can see 120 questions along with table, along with question number, along with question. You will also have a box here to write the answers. You will also have a last column, time taken. So there are 120 questions. If you scroll down, you can see last question is 120. Okay, so this is called a generator. Now what you should do after you see the tables like this, you will see download as PDF, download as CSV, and what is this is. So I will download them and show you. So I'll download both of them. So download questions. So now you can see the questions are downloaded. So we entered the file name as test. So there is test underscore questions, and this is timestamp. Now you can see time. Now you can see questions like this. So this what you should do. You should take a printout and start practicing. So there are 120 questions here along with page number. You can see page number 3, page number 2. All this it is there in this file. This is PDF file. Now there is one more thing here in PDF. You want to print each table in a new page. So what happens if you do that? If I check this, I want to download only PDF, so I'm checking only this, and I don't want to include borders. So now what happens? See this, I'm downloading. See this, initially the first page will be blank. If you go to second page, only one table you will be seeing in each page. Also we have removed the borders, so these borders you can't see between each question. So if you want to see the next question, next table, scroll down, next table, scroll down, like this there will be 13 pages. Why? Because there are 120 questions. So here this is an option where you can print each table in new page. Also this is one more option we selected. There are no borders. If there are no borders, there will be no separators between two questions. So these are the two options in PDF. All these options are also there. Now let's see what is the CSV. Okay,